What's the process of getting your custom build or remodel started?
We'll go meet with the client at their house and discuss what their goals are. If it's a remodel, what are we starting with? Let's look around and discuss what you'd like. If it's a new build, how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, how many square feet? And then from there, we can pair them up with an architect who will then work with them to design the exact structure that they're looking for. And once we get through this design process and we send all the paperwork to the city for a permit, then we're working on our side to start putting the schedule, a budget, and the contracts together to see who's going to perform what part of the project so that everyone's clear on what's going to happen and when it's going to happen. It's like any goal. Without having all of that written out and planned ahead of time, it's not very likely that you're going to get there. So we've put a lot of work into creating a process that works for us as well as our clients. It helps us as far as just being consistent and making sure that the repetition is encompassing everything that we need to build a house. And for our client, it's very helpful because we can help guide them through the process and lay out the road work of what's to come. We got to start at step one. And once we get through that, we'll go to step two, step three, step four, and who's going to help us along the way.